Good morning and a warm welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. A.K.S. Suryavanshi. Dr. Suryavanshi is a senior academic with over 27 years of experience across academic and corporate organizations, serving in leadership and executive capacity. A PhD in business management, Dr. Suryavanshi has taught marketing and strategy in national and international universities and has been a member of prestigious Project Review Committee of CDC, DSIR, Ministry of Science and Technology, and International Life Sciences Institute. His research interest lies in the intersection of brand redemption, technology interface, and marketplace dynamics. He has guided many research scholars, consultancy projects, startups, and not-for-profit organizations. Having served on several boards of industry and academic institutions, he has designed an e-learning course for the International Chamber of Commerce Paris in the area of microfinance. Dr. Suryavanshi is one of the editorial board members of many journals, along with being a coach and corporate trainer, conducting management development programs for various organizations like Godrej and RBI. He holds memberships of multiple prestigious committees and has received various awards, including Outstanding Contribution to Education by Devang Mehta Education Awards in 2016, Best Director Award by BBC Knowledge in 2017, Vidya Ratan Award by International Business Council in 2017, and the Distinguished Service Award by AIMS International in 2018. Welcome, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. A.K.S. Suryavanshi. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Madam Suri. Good morning to all of you. Shubham karoti kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada shatru buddhi vinashaye deepo jyoti namastute. On behalf of Chancellor, Mr. Ritesh Hadaji, my personal behalf, on behalf of all my deans, directors, faculty and colleagues on Karnavati University, my felicitations and greetings to all students of UID, the School of Design, incoming batch 2021. Welcome to Karnavati University. We are so privileged and very happy to welcome you to our fold, and I'm sure you will also extend my greetings to your parents. Some of them might be logged in right now and listening to us while the sessions are going on. The School of Design of Karnavati University is very unique, not because it is one of the best design schools, but why it is unique because it's always open to ideas. You'll find sometimes the ideas come from foreign lands, sometimes the ideas will come from students themselves, and it's a melting pot. So, don't get bogged down by looking at a very boring place. We are a very exciting place, and you are going to love your stay here. For your information, I'm sure during the daytime, it will be shared with you. Recently, our design students filed 156 IP, intellectual property, submission under different category, which is under patent, copyright, trademark, and also about design IP. So here is the place where Karnavati University, you don't have to simply study, but also look forward for being an inventor, innovator, discoverer, and also on a copyright in your name in due course of time. Karnavati University has a beautiful incubator. So tomorrow, if some of you will feel that you want to, incubate your ideas and you want to become an entrepreneur, you are most welcome to experience the incubator on the campus. Incubator ideas where all the facilities will be provided by our dynamic team, headed by Mr. Jaydeep Banerjee, Colonel Bose, and Mr. K.K. Singh and Professor Jayanti Panchal. So why you are lucky? You are lucky not because you chose to do design, but you are lucky because in this pandemic and in these disruptive times, you chose to do something which is not a run of the mill. Everybody cannot be creative. Everybody cannot be a designer, whether it's industrial design or it's a woodcraft, metal, ceramic, or you have visual communication, anything. It's not possible. So you chose to be a designer in your own domain. So that is very unique. And we congratulate you for this thing. Now, this time is very unique. And very unique because you have to think about the sustainable designs. If you try to copy, let's say, one designer into a given field, probably you'll be a copycat. So you have to try to understand that, you have to create some sustainable design. So design will be, moving around sustainability in due course of time. So whatever field you choose of your specialist, please try to become original and also look forward so that you can bring value to the industry. It's not about how much value we create for ourselves. It's all about how much value we create for society, for the businesses, for the industries, for the ecosystem, because nobody is immortal, as you know. And sometimes I talk this quite often, and you listen to me further while you are on the campus. Somebody asked, famous scientist Einstein, what is God? He says, God is a beautiful concept, but what we see all around us are the details of the God. So, and design comes very near that because it's a creation. So, with this, formally, I welcome you, but I would like to take 5 minutes of time and take you through what I mentioned about disruptions and what your role as a participant and as a learner on the campus of Karnavati University will be there. I'm aware we are slightly behind the schedule, but don't worry, we'll try to catch up quickly. All right. So, Madam Suri, you have to give me a cue. Can you see this?
Yes, sir, we can see your screen.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, I'll take you through, it's a globalized world. You have seen the disruptions, but what next? This question comes from the students quite often. The next is that future is always good and a great if we are prepared for it. All the contribution to this slide is taken from courtesy KPMG, Ford Foundation, Aditya Birla Group. So these are the references. Normally in PPT also we give. We move further. So, I don't think in the playbook, ever it has been a globalization disruption such major what we have seen from March 2020. And hypothesis of mine is that it happens through a series of events. If you remember March, certainly a lockdown, certainly 24 hours curfew, Janta curfew, and so forth. First phase of lockdown, second phase of lockdown, whatnot, study from home, work from home. But these global disruptions, the global wave have to be mastered in whatever disciplines we are into. But let's look at, and with you, would like to again relook at 12 major events that, out of the forces that shape the new globalized world to which we have inherited. The first one, if you see immigration, the actual formal immigration began in 17th century. Today, there are supposed to be around, 300 million, close to 30 crore immigrants that have officially moved within the last 200 years. Now, two great universities. Of course, I'm not talking about our ancient universities of Nalanda University, which is in Bihar, Takshila University, which was in Pakistan now, and others. But let's look at during medieval time, Oxford University and Cambridge, two global universities, and they became epitome of learning. Now, some of the brands, you'll also remember during World War II, which is in 1939 to 1945, a major disruption. Of course, World War I, I'm not counting, is a brands like Coca-Cola, Time magazines, Wrigley, Double Mint. Wrigley is the world's third largest food company, and Camel cigarettes. Now, the fourth one, the transistor by Sony, 1960. It changed the world, the way they wanted to entertain themselves. And, Sony is a Sony, let's say. Fifth one, these are the great thinkers. And we are very happy to share that two of them are Indian or Indian born. Peter Drucker, of course, is a management thinker. If you want to do anything with sales and marketing, in file Philip Kotler, you can't avoid. Ram Charan was a professor at Harvard Business School, Harvard University. Professor C.K. Prahlad was the first batch of IIM Ahmedabad and later became professor at Michigan School of Business. He is no more. Sixth, oil shock. 1973, there was, basically oil shock due to Gulf. The production was not so much as the consumption was there in US. And here the Japanese came out with a design of smaller cars. So what I'm saying that disruptions also lead to a new discovery or new innovations. And then thereafter, American cars became the secondary. Japanese car designers, car manufacturers, they rule the world. Seventh, these are the events I'm discussing with you, and I thought I'll put it across some. Muhammad Ali versus Frazier, 1974. It was called Rumble in the Jungle. It was watched by almost 1 billion people. 1 billion, 100 crore people watching that time. Of course, India at that time did not have television. That was such a super, humongous kind of event. Eighth, Live Aid for Africa, 1985, during apartheid, South Africa, Congo, Uganda, Chad, Zambia, Zimbabwe, slightly better, but still Zimbabwe, and all this country. So global philanthropy started crossing the boundaries. People, musicians, dance group, etc. They said, no, let me create something. Ninth one, I think I'm sure, you guys were not even born. It is 1991 when the Gulf War, the first Gulf War happened. It was live broadcasted by CNN. Who was the winner? CNN. They thought, now what about the broadcast? It can't take place. It's a war zone. But CNN used their creativity. They used their connections. You know why I say connections? It's very important to manage and get the things done. You will hear and learn at the campus of Karnavati University, United Institute of Design. To getting things done is also an art, and you'll be taught by your leader Kanda Bose, KK sir, and Jayanti Panchalji, and a lot of department heads. 10th, you know the GSM standard, which is mobile phone, and there was a BlackBerry, there was a Nokia, which is now not working. On the left hand side, you'll find where the cursor probably you can see Motorola, of course, acquired now. And this is very, very important event. Berlin Wall fell. You know, the wall. So in last 100 years, you can see last 75 years, I'm talking, 12 major events. And the falling of East Germany and West Germany Berlin Wall was an accident. Try to find out. It was not designed to fall. It just happened by an accident. So, and it also gave a wave to the socialism, throughout the world. Now come to the 11th, which is internet era. Why say IoT kind of things? The companies, tech companies of 2000 and beyond, Google, and now of course WhatsApp, Facebook, you know that. So these are all the companies which were not there. Their life is very small as of now. 12th, and there I'm going to take a leap forward. Is China became the global hub, manufacturing hub. So, it was said that the Chinese are the manufacturing capital of the world, while India could become service capital of the world. Today, the world economy is almost, if you look at 25 trillion US dollar is in US, but 17 trillion US dollar is with China. So they are second largest economy as of now, followed by Japan. Now, here what we say, you are here for a great career in a design world. And what will happen here, you see that I will try to, put it across. Of course, I'm not going into details of it. Your course structure will be designed in such a way that there will be core courses, there will be specialization courses, there will be tertiary courses, there will be concentration courses. And what you get to learn at Karnavati, United Institute of Design, School of Design at Karnavati University is the leadership. You will be learning about leadership daily, on a daily basis. So you will take through the experiential learning, whether it's through internship. You'll have to go through the experimentation, through simulations, and some kind of machine learning in the laboratories of design school. You'll have a lot of immersive, where you write a dissertation and show the author, where you learn from the leader. And self-discovery will be immense. You'll have to do your own goal setting. We as your teachers will be only your coaches, and you will be a participant in the journey of learning. Now you focus whether you want, one versus many. Let's say number of countries which are very, popular, 200, but the brands which are very famous is 2000 only. Quite unusual. I'll show you the brands. Colgate, Visa, Google, Facebook, MasterCards, and Coca-Cola. These brands are present in 200 countries. So maybe tomorrow as a teacher, we expect some of you come out with that design, which probably is also in 200 countries in next 20 years, 25 years. These brands are present in more than 160 countries. Dove, Nestle Maggi, Nestle Coffee, you'll say Nestle KitKat, Marlboro. Of course, don't focus on Marlboro. It's good to have willpower, not the will's power. Pampers and Huawei and Toyota, cars. But you see, Nestle is a company which owns 1, 2, 3. Now, globalization and the global standards help. It does help, but there is no clear standard. So I'll take you further. It's a global standard helps, but at the same time, there is no clear standard. Then who defines the clear standards? You define. So your work. We have left hand right, and we have right hand right. Where is the standard? There is no standard. So we think that world is a standardized place. We always talk like that. It's not. It's about how you create the value. Levi's. When the Levi's came, the advertisement, it was supposed to be the Levi's leads in a man's world and a girl's too. It was like a uni, you know, but it's a uni kind of uni-gender brands. But today, if you look at the follow the leader, where, but here you find only gentry. And it worked and both dimensions. This is about communication. So it's a digital media or integrated communication. It's not about, you know, what you say, but how you say that matters. And you see some of the brands, some of the things, events like you have rugby on the right side, IPL. So sometime it becomes very famous. And we are the, you know, once in 4 years, Tokyo Olympic is going to start in a subdued manner, and FIFA, who can forget about world football. So these are also iconic brands, but it happens once in 4 years, definitely. And now COVID-19, you will laugh. This is also a brand after all, because this is the one brand which is de-branded a lot of things. The way we think right now, we never thought we'll do an induction program like this, Your Identity, which is there, a flagship program of School of Design of Karnavati University. But COVID-19, you may hate it, but definitely it did something which didn't happen in the last 100 years. So to conclude, you know, at Karnavati School of Design, UID, you are a rock star actually, and you are the ones around which everything is going to move further. So once again, since time is very less, I will put a stop here, but I wish to you and your parents a very happy and healthy stay. Take care, stay safe. Next 3 days are going to be quite jam-packed, but be happy. And don't, whenever you find the sessions are becoming too long, don't think we are boring. We are not boring. We are very lively people. Once you come to the campus, you will realize we are also not less than rock stars. Your teachers are rock stars. Your directors and deans are rock stars. And so you are the rock star. So with this, I once again greet you and give my compliments. Stay safe. God bless you. See you soon on the campus.
Thank you so much, VC sir, for enthusing our new and current students with enthusiasm as they embark on the design journey and the many opportunities and guidance that UID can provide to kickstart their design career. Your talk and presentation has been a most inspiring walk through history of the world and history of design, and for that we are thankful. Thank you so much for joining us today.